Hello, welcome to ISE 2020. I'm Ilyas Wartani from Taiden, and I'm a product manager. So today we want to highlight our latest project and one of the biggest in the world, if not the biggest. We fully equipped this room 19 of the United Nations in Geneva with our latest products, which are the first generation of paperless, fully customized, plus the e-ink nameplate. And today I want to highlight the e-ink nameplate. So here is our latest e-ink nameplate, which features a double-side e-ink. So you can show from one side, for example, the delegate's name, and the other side, the company name or the country name, for instance. And if I turn on the microphone here, as you can see, the light follows exactly what's mirrored on the microphone. If, for example, here I change the name on the software with one click, and as you can see, it will automatically change it here. It takes a few seconds, then it will blink, and then we have, for example, Jackie here, we'll change it to Mike. And as you can see, you can do this, and we did this actually for more than 330 units live on our latest project in Geneva. So thank you for viewing us today, watching this video, and if you missed anything, you can find everything we said today at www.taiden.com. Thank you.